What's up, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Today I'm with the homie Mr. Aries, the BMW King, the programmer, the coder. What are we doing today, Aries? What do you got for me?
Okay, so basically today we're gonna upgrade your car keys. Gonna say goodbye to the old style BMW.
The ugly style, yeah.
Ugly style. And
oh, sick! This is the new G80 key, guys. We are gonna be upgrading my key today. Damn, that looks so good.
yes.
And it feels heavy. It's got the M colors on the side. It's thinner. Dude, that thing is absolutely beautiful. So because my car is completely like bone stock, you want to go ahead and explain what do you got to do first? And
So yeah, basically what we need to do, we need to remove the key module. So it's a complex process. But
Yeah.
we're gonna remove the key module, suck out the information from the key module, then create your key. And obviously it's gonna have the blade as well. Right now it's not cut, but once I'm done, I'm gonna cut it. So you're gonna have the same exact key like it came from the dealer, but just with the newer style.
guys, if you guys are interested in BMW coding, programming, full screen CarPlay, and now if you want to upgrade your key to the new style, the GAX key, hit up Aries right here. I'll drop his Instagram down below. Give him a follow. Let him know that lifewithkg sent you. Guys, you guys got to upgrade your key. This is just a whole game changer. I can't wait.
Hey guys, it's Aries. I'm taking over lifewithkg blog. Yeah, so we're gonna start making the new style key. So we're gonna scan the card to see how many keys are made. As you can see, two keys are made. So it means that the key module is not unlocked yet. So we gotta start the process to unlock the fan module. And after I unlock it, they're gonna be able to add more keys to it.
All right, guys. So in order for Aries to do this, he's actually got to remove this trim piece here, and then he's got to get to the FEM module that's inside here. He's got to remove the little carpet, and then he's able to take that out, and then he can start working on the car. Oh my, you broke it. All right, so as you can see, he's removed all of that right there. It's so complicated to get to the FEM module, guys. You got to remove so many things, and you got to be careful because there's so many like tabs and screws and so much stuff, but it's worth it. So also, guys, you got to disconnect the battery when you're doing this as well. So, and it's crazy, guys, because if you want to install that, if you want to install the V2 electronic steering wheel too, you got to go through the footwell part and run it through the back of the dash and bring it all the way up to the front. It's a whole charade. Bro.
Yeah, so that's the fan module. We're gonna suck out the key information off of it and then make you a new key.
All right, so what are we doing now?
We're cutting the key blade for your car. This is the old one. Soon the new one's gonna come.
Sick. Guys, nice and cut. Exhaust? Oh my gosh. All right, guys, so Aries went ahead. We as you guys saw, we cut the key.
So basically, after we cut the key and programmed the key fob, now it's time to put back the fan module. That's the immobilizer is built inside it. We're gonna put it back into the car, put back all the trims back, program the new key to the steering wheel column, and then start the car for the.
As you guys can see, just putting back the fan. Looks a little complicated. Looks like a tight squeeze in there, but all right, guys. So Aries went ahead, put back the fan, connected the battery, make sure everything's tightened up.
Oh.
Wow. Oh my gosh, guys. There it is. The brand new key. Let's do it. Let's unlock. Oh! Yes. Yes, sir. That is so sick. We got the new G80 style key, guys. Oh my gosh, dude. And Aries made it happen.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, bro.
My pleasure, bro.
I really appreciate that. That's so sick.
Here's the key blade too.
Look at that, guys. Cut. Front and back. Very nice.
Says the key for the first time.
Go, let's see. Do the honors. Sick.
Unlock.
Unlocked it.
Unlock it.
Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Guys. This shit is so sick. I love this key. The way it feels, it's super nice. Sheesh. I cannot stop staring at this key and holding it. It just feels really good. I'm telling you guys, from the old key to the new key, like this is such a big difference. And I like how it has the M colors right here. Look at that. Super nice. Anyways, if you guys want this key, if you guys want to upgrade your key, make sure to hit up Aries on Instagram. I'm going to drop his Instagram down below. Let him know that lifewithkg sent you guys. He can do it for the F chassis, E chassis, and many more. So hit him up, let him know that I sent you, and yeah, get your key upgraded. See, he's almost done putting it back. It's really hard to work in that little section. I don't know why they would do that. Making sure everything goes back intact. I just gotta put the door trim, this piece here, and we're good to go. Alright guys, so Aries put everything back, everything is good to go. The only thing he's doing is
I'm running last diagnostics to make sure there's no surprise codes or anything. And then just clear it and make sure everything looks good with the car.
Okay guys, if you guys want to upgrade your key, make sure you guys mention KG 2023 to get how much % off, Aries?
20% discount.
There you guys have it. So you can do this for any car, right? Mention what BMW models you can do. What is it?
I can do it to any car except G chassis. As long as it's not G chassis, I can do them all.
So F30s,
F30s, E9X,
M2s,
E46s, E39s. I can make a key.
M4s,
Any
M5s
cars.
from the F chassis, the
F
F10.
chassis, F chassis and E chassis. Yes.
Okay, so as long as it's not a G
Yes.
series, you can do it.
Yeah, as long as it's got FEM module or EWS or CAS 3, CAS 4, I can do it. The G chassis, they got BDC, and they're not able to code them yet. Maybe in the future it's going to be able to, but for now, not yet.
And besides BMW, you can do
Any other brands.
Okay, there you guys have it. So like I said, Instagram will be right here on the screen. Make sure you guys give him a follow. And also he does programming, coding, full screen CarPlay. He can upgrade your iDrive system. He can do seatbelt delete, airbag delete. What else you can do? You can
Adaptive lights deletes, EDC deletes, upgrading head units, retrofit NBT Evo, same like Kevin's on any car, and GTS tunes, CS flash, transmission flash for any M2, M4, M3. So yeah.
Cool. There you guys have it. So if you guys have any questions, like I said, Instagram will be right here on the screen. Give them a follow and make sure you guys mention KG 2023 to get
20% off.
There you guys have it. All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Make sure you guys follow Aries on Instagram. Go get your key upgraded. I know you guys want to get your key upgraded to the new G platform. So see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.